Baby, what are you doing?
Massaging my scalp.
Massaging my scalp in the मेरे बीवी के हाथों.
With my oil.
With your oil. Baby, do you love me?
Lots.
What do you do when you say get angry?
Shut up.
Not like that, baby. Or how do you say? So when you get angry, shut up! Shut up!
You can't keep doing this, yeah. Should I put more oil?
No, I think for the timing it's fine. Na?
ये पीछे का this part.
I think it's fine अभी. बाद में ऊटी पे जाके लगाएंगे ना और.
Ooty पे इतना नहीं. I'll be putting very less in Ooty because.
Then fatafat we got ready. We didn't even have the breakfast, which was complimentary in the hotel. We kept our appetite for Vela Kantari because the seafood out here is so good, babies. If you want Kerala style, here it is. Thank you. There's some lake fish, river fish, no? You said something with P. That is nice, I think. Yeah, Velada ki stirra. Bigga. Okay, that name.
You want to go and see and select?
I will not understand anyways about the fish. Remember the mask now. Before eating this, sanitize your hand. So we ordered for Idichu beef, crab meat, fish fry, yummy.
इधर
Crab meat.
crab meat है. फिर मेरे मतलब चढ़ते हुए और करिए. कौन सा?
ಎಲ್ಲ meat ಕೊಡ್ಚು
चार करते.
ಅದ ಮೋರ್ ಕರಿಯಾ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ and what is this is more ಕರಿಯೋ ఇంకా కొంచెం మోర్ ఇది మోర్ వేణ నీ ఇంకా వేణ
You want this?
what is that
Some curry, we don't ask them. Want this? What's it?
I want everything
Nice.
nice thank you
Right.
how's the food baby you liked it super good we didn't have a breakfast we had an amazing fulfilled lunch baby how did you find it this is the first time he's coming here
Yep, I think the food was good. It's a small, unassuming place, but the food was really good. Of all the dishes that we tried, in fact, we tried prawns, we tried a few variety of a fish, but I think all of them were extremely good. I think it's a must come for it, must visit for anyone who kind of visits Kochi to have a.
prawns was okay
Yeah, prawns was okay because we had so many other fish that prawns became a common thing, right? So
the fry was really tasty
the beef idichu,
the crab
the crab meat, and the anchovies, etc.
yeah the fish fry was really good and the veg meal also was good all the bhajis and the pickle and everything no baby
Yes. A small place run by I think a small family.
my husband wife very sweet
Yeah, and I think it's a must visit than going into bigger restaurants, and then it's a must visit for authentic seafood.
Kerala seafood
Yeah.
so baby now where we are going
We're going to Lulu.
yeah we're going to Lulu Mall so now we are seeing our wedding pictures and wow and we are at Starbucks having black coffee and checking out our pictures so what is this baby
Tiramisu, eggless.
eggless tiramisu why did you take eggless tiramisu
Because it was the only one that was available for free there.
free oh something free at Starbucks is good
Very good.
nice
Very good.
you liked it
Give your husband your hand and see what he does with it.
I know it be so complicated, loving you sometimes.
After Starbucks, we decided to go to Kunafa World to try the kunafa, but I thought Praveen would be very, very tired, so let's cancel the plan. And I went off to sleep in the car, but Praveen surprised me. When I woke up, we landed up at Kunafa World, and I ordered for Nutella Classic Kunafa. It's tasty. Not very cheesy, but it's nice. Not the best one though, but good. It's cream cheese and Nutella, I guess. You like it?
Yeah.
Tasty?
Yeah.
It can be more sweetened, but I didn't complete it. You like it?
Okay.
Yeah, actually it was okay, guys. It was not one of the best. The cream cheese or whatever filling was not up to the mark.
It had cheese, but it's not very creamy as such.
Yeah.
So-
baby.
This
This is how you felt.
is you. I told you I go to sleep peacefully. It's just wet now. It's now wet here. Shut up.
This is how I felt.
Yeah, this is how you acted yesterday. There's water in it. I will get cold. I will get fever. Shut up.
Hey babies, we came back to the hotel after some time. We relaxed and now it's time for packing because tomorrow morning we're leaving for our first honeymoon. But yes, look at this mess. Hey Bhagwan. We have a lot of food also, a lot of things to take. Let's do it fast. He's gone to the gym, my Pati Parmeshwar. So before he comes back, I want to get done with how much ever I can. So babies, it's dinner time. We ordered for alfam chicken, appam, veg stew, mixed veg curry and watermelon juice.